Uh, Good afternoon and welcome to Majeke Global Ministries International. This is Pastor Majeke coming to you live from Polokwane. I am here to share a little bit with you. I am here, in fact, to come and say thank you so much for your support. You support me a lot, particularly in YouTube ministry, where I'm recording there. So you will remember there is a clip that I've just recently to you that was asking you to offer some sacrifices so that this program that I'm having on YouTube can go on. I gave you my the banking details of our ministry, but that one of God's Fire Christian Center. So thank you a lot, because there I asked you to help me um, so that we can, by giving, so that we can have money to buy uh, a video camera which we can use to record and have quality videos. Number two, I asked you for that money so that we can have Wi-Fi router, because the one that I was using, the data there could easily be exhausted. Yeah, so thanks a lot that right now you kept on assisting. As I'm talking to you, we have the router, which is unlimited. Bless God for that. We also have um, the video that I spoke about. Thank God for that. We have the stands that we are using. We have um, last week, no, it's this week, by the way. We have bought a very big and powerful speaker that and the microphones, all in all, they costed about 4.800. So you can see the sacrifice that is there for the ministry. So please, tomorrow, we are going to start our services. So I am asking you to come and join us. When you are coming from Sasa side, then you pass ZCC on your right, and then once you pass the speed hump, then on the left side, there is a spaza shop, which is yellow in color. So you just go back, um, get out of the tie road, go back, go 10 left, and then as if you are going back. So in that very same yard for that spaza shop, that's where our church is situated currently. The first gate that you will get, there is a green car parked in the double garage there. So that's where our church is situated. We start at 10:30. So please do come and be with Pastor Macheke, who is ready to minister the word of God to you. So see you tomorrow uh, on the 4th and the 15th. Bless the Lord. So we are going to have our service 10:30. Don't forget. Come here and be with us. And Pastor Macheke is ready to teach you and train you in the things of God. And with the speaker that I've told you about, during the weekend, I will be also doing the open airs that I will be telling you on which date and times and where I will be ministering from. So I will also be preaching in English with the help of the interpreter. Please just come, accept Christ, and your life will never be the same again. So this is Pastor Macheke, who was coming to you live and inviting you to come and be with him. May God richly bless you. There are so many announcements that I will be giving you in this fashion. May God richly bless you. This is Pastor Macheke saying to you, Jesus is Lord. Shalom.